Good morning, boys. I hope you both had a great weekend. Who wants to share something interesting you did over the weekend?
Good morning, Mr. Parker. I went to the zoo with my family. It was amazing. We saw lions, tigers, and even a rare white peacock.
Good morning, Mr. Parker. My weekend was fantastic. I visited my grandparents. We had a barbecue in their backyard. The weather was perfect and the food was delicious.
Those both sound like wonderful experiences. John and Sam, did anything else exciting you do over the weekend?
I played a soccer match on Saturday morning. My team won 3-2, and I scored a goal.
Mr. Parker, on Sunday I went hiking with my friends. We explored a new trail and the scenery was breathtaking.
It's great to hear about your outdoor adventures, boys. Did you have any memorable moments during your activities?
Well, Mr. Parker, I went to the zoo on Sunday, and at the zoo, I got to feed the giraffes, and one of them licked my hand. It was so funny.
When we were hiking, we discovered a hidden waterfall. We snapped many photos and sat near it for a bit. It was very peaceful.
It sounds like you had some truly special moments. Exploring nature and spending time with family and friends can be very rewarding. Thanks for sharing your weekend experiences, and I hope this week in school will be just as enjoyable.
Darling, you won't believe what happened yesterday. I found this old photo album in the basement.
Really? I remember we used to take a lot of pictures back in the day. Which photo album did you find?
Well, there were pictures from our honeymoon in Hawaii. Did you remember the incredible luau we visited?
Oh yes, the luau was incredible. The hula dancers and the fire show were so entertaining.
It brought back memories of the beautiful sunsets and our walks on the beach. Those were some of the best days of our lives.
They were indeed. And speaking of the past, I met Lisa, my old college roommate, at the store yesterday.
Lisa! I haven't seen her in years. What did you guys talk about?
We talked about our college days. Remember the time we all went on that road trip to the mountains?
How could I forget? We got lost, but it turned into an adventure. We camped under the stars and had a bonfire.
Yes, we talked for hours and shared stories. It was so nice. And then, on our honeymoon, we visited that charming cabin in the mountains.
Ah, that cabin was amazing. We hiked, made a bonfire, and gazed at the stars. It was so romantic.
Those memories are so special. It's amazing how the past can bring us so much joy.
Indeed. It's nice to look back and appreciate all the moments that have made our journey together wonderful.
Yes, it's been quite a journey, filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. We've built a beautiful life together.